This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by heating the joint to soften adhesive. Aim warm air at the seam for 60–90 seconds while holding the piece securely. Once the adhesive warms, apply gentle, steady pressure with a plastic spudger at the weakest seam. Don't pry hard. If the joint resists, reheat briefly. Doing this lets the glue lose grip without melting plastic or stripping paint. Make sure to protect painted surfaces by directing heat precisely and pausing between bursts to avoid damage. Once you've loosened the seam a little, alternate gentle levering with brief heat bursts to expand the gap further. If heat alone won't free a superglue joint, dab acetone just into the seam. It dissolves cyanocrylate but can affect paint. Apply sparingly and let it penetrate. After a minute, try the spudger again while supporting the piece to avoid snapping thin bits. Once separated, immediately rinse or neutralize solvent and inspect contact points for glue residue to clean. After separation, clean remaining adhesive. Carefully scrape with a hobby knife at a low angle and finish with a fine sanding stick to preserve detail. Once surfaces mate cleanly, test fit parts repeatedly to ensure alignment. If plastic is slightly damaged, apply a thin layer of modeling putty. Let cure, then sand to shape. Finally, reassemble with the appropriate glue. Use PVA for porous joins, plastic cement for polystyrene, and minimal cyanocrylate for tiny contact points. Then clamp and wait fully before handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.